everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring New York City at night, starting from the iconic Brooklyn Bridge and ending in the dazzling lights of Times Square. As we walk across the Brooklyn Bridge, the Manhattan skyline sparkles against the night sky, creating one of the most breathtaking views in New York. Opened in 1883, this historic bridge is one of the city's most famous landmarks and offers incredible views of the East River and the illuminated skyline. As we arrive in Manhattan, the streets become livelier with yellow taxis, busy sidewalks, and the exciting energy that makes New York famous. Every corner has something unique to see. Our journey ends at the world-famous Times Square, where giant digital billboards, bright lights, and crowds from around the world create an unforgettable atmosphere. It's easy to see why New York is known as the city that never sleeps. I hope you enjoyed this nighttime walk from Brooklyn Bridge to Times Square. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more travel adventures, and let me know your favorite place in New York City in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.